I'd rather go take a hot bath and relax. But you know what? My eyes are still open, so I'm gonna get my meal prepping done now. So we got my veggies. I think I'm gonna just saute some zucchini for dinner this week. Saute some onions and peppers as well with that. Beans and rice, peanut butter and jelly for lunch. Oatmeal will be both, I'm running out of blueberries. So blueberries, and then I'll do like a walnut and raisin medley. And then dinner this week will be this mandarin orange crispy chicken, which I eat in moderation. I try not to eat like faux vegan food every day. I don't really think that's healthy for you. So some days it'll be rice with veggies and this. And then some days it'll just be straight rice and just the beans. And I'm taking these bananas out the freezer. I'm about to treat myself to some banana bread. All this watermelon. So this week I'm gonna do watermelon juice, and I'm gonna add this strawberry, peach, and pineapple medley. All right, this watermelon juice smells so good. And I think it'll make at least 6 jars, I hope. Okay, my eye measurements was right on point. It made 6 jars and then just a little bit left over, so I'll drink that as I'm cooking. Boom, meal prepping done for the week. That was actually really fast. It's 6:58. I wonder what time I started. Let me check. Okay, I started at 5:30. That's not bad, and I was doing other things while doing this. But oatmeal for breakfast this week. 3 days will be blueberry oatmeal, and then the other 2 days is walnuts and raisins. Apple slices for my snack each day. Peanut butter jelly sandwiches for lunch. Dinner is rice and beans with whatever vegetable medley I want to mix with it that day. And then some days I'll do the mandarin orange crispy chicken with like this Asian medley I have of frozen food. Is like string, you know, the Asian blend. And then my juices. Then I have my watermelon juice and my apple cider vinegar tea. I will post in the description below today what the actual contents are when I make my apple cider vinegar tea.